I was just editing this and I realized that I didn't put an intro in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you what I've packed because I play field hockey, in case you didn't know, which most of my subscribers are my friends, so they already know that I'm going away for a field hockey competition. Yay! I'm actually the goalkeeper, in case you wanted to know. The goalie. And yeah, so I'm packing to go away next week, and if I don't reply to your comments, because I'm probably not uploading this till next week, if I don't reply to your comments, that's probably why, and I am so sorry. I love reading your comments, and yeah, let's just get on with this video. This intro has gone for too long. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bag. So this is my gorgeous trusty bag with a little tag on it. It's from Kathmandu and it is amazing. It has bag straps that are currently packed away. There'll be a photo somewhere over here of, or maybe in the background, I don't know, of this unfolded, I don't know. There probably won't be because I can't be bothered. Okay, so the next item that we have is clothing. So I like to bring some nice clothing just in case we go out. So I've got a long sleeve purplish pinkish shirt along with my denim shorts. I really like that outfit. And then obviously nobody can live without PJs because PJs are life. And I've got a little singlet and then long sleeve shirt and some pants. And then we've got some nice pants with rose gold on there and a beautiful shade of green. And then I've just got an athletic shirt and then a jumper. Now to go with my nice outfit, I actually have some shoes, which is leading on to the next topic. I love my shoes. I'm like a dog, I love shoes. So I've actually got my hockey shoes, which I wear in my goalie gear. So don't worry if you're a hockey player, this is actual hockey shoes. So yeah, in case you didn't know, there are actual hockey shoes with spike things on the bottom. I've got some more nice shoes because I love my shoes and I don't know what I'm feeling like. And then I have my cute boots. Not my moon boot, which I'm sort of supposed to be wearing right now. Not really, but I am. Anyways, moving on to the next item. You know how we were just talking about bags? Well, these are sort of bags. These are my toiletries. So I've got this one, which actually has next to nothing in it. It just has my moisturizer, my scrunchie, and something to keep the hair out of my face. And then I actually don't remember what I've got in here. Oh yeah, and then in here I just have like a little essentials pack for like sore throats, dry lips, and a something to get stuff out of my braces. Another moisturizer, and then a bit of money and face wash. I'll be back. These are my last few items. So I actually have some swimmers here, so yeah, don't need to get into too much detail. And then I have a book where I can document anything that I want to or something like that while I'm away. I actually can't let you see the front because it's got my full name on it. And then I have my amazing teddies to keep me company and my trusty speaker where I can play Spotify out of. I actually just got this from Kmart for, what was it, $20? Yeah, so it's that easy. And then obviously I have my deodorant and stuff like that. Okay, I hope that you guys are having one truly amazing day because there's one truly amazing item left. Actually, there's two. Let me go get them. Okay, so first we have a bag. This one's not so truly amazing. They're like, you know, just a bag in case I don't feel like wearing my sport bag. And then the truly amazing item is this gorgeous blanket. Nobody can live without a blanket, and if you are, I feel super sorry for you because nobody should be able to live without a blanket. I know, right? It's super sad. Okay, now that I've cleaned everything up, I can do my beautiful outro. So I just want to say a thank you to iMovie, Vlo, and Clips, because those are the apps that I've used to edit this video. You can hear my brother talking upstairs. So yeah.